Homemade remedies to lighten dark bikini line. Turmeric paste. This is probably the healthy skincare pack which is often used to lighten brown spots and get a shiny skin. It is simple to discover the ingredients used in this pack inside your kitchen rack. To begin with, take 1 tsp of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 tsp yogurt. Combine the components well right into a fine paste and put it on lightly inside a circular motion around the affected area. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash with cold water. Follow this remedy 3 times per week, preferably before bathing. Gram flower scrub. The adding nourishment to essential gram flower is a superb natural remedy to get rid of the unwanted hair out of your private area easily. You just need to consider a spoonful of gram flower inside a bowl and blend 10 ml of fresh lemon juice into it. Now give a little quantity of water to create a thick consistent paste. Now, put it on your bikini area. This really is quite a highly effective and blackhead removal remedy. Rinse with cold water and also you shall see effective produces a couple of days. Egg white and sugar. Believe us, this gorgeous natural remedy is definitely likely to make you in awe. You just need to take a few egg white and blend it completely with sugar until you receive a thick wealthy paste. Put it on evenly in your bikini line and allow it to dry. Now, take it off just like a mask and you'll be surprised to locate perfect smooth and supple skin. Baking soda paste. Leave behind the unwanted hair and darkness within the bikini line area by soaking a combination of baking soda with a few water. Apply this paste around the affected area and allow it to dry, after that to rinse after 15 minutes and apply some moisturizer to smoothen your skin.